Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video where today I have some Matchbox cars. I have a Matchbox 50th anniversary Superfast and some moving parts and a power grab. So I think we should start off with the power grab. I thought this was kind of a cool car. I just got it because, I don't know, I like this van. I like the deco. So, yeah, let's open it up. It's not... Okay, there we go. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a long time. I was on vacation, so I didn't have time, any pre-recorded videos, and any of my cars with me. So, yeah. Well, here is our Nissan van. It's actually really cool because it has a tow hitch. So, I can, right here I have the Matchbox trailer. This is a newer tow hitch, so, yeah. It works, though. It's nice. You can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Well, I'll put this back, but there's our first vehicle. I really like these new moving parts vehicles, especially this deco on this Ranger. It's very nice, and the hood moves. I think the tailgate also opens up, so I'm excited to use this car in some videos. Let's open it up. Oop, opened it up from the bottom. There we go. Ooh, that was nice. It came off clean. They really put nice packaging on here. They have this here. It also helps keep the thing open, but we have a moving part. It doesn't actually stay up, which is, I don't know. That's okay. But indeed, the tailgate opens, and it actually, like, is pretty tight, so yeah. Well, it's very nice. Now let's open up a Range Rover. So they have had this car in a Superfast. I have the box right here. Here's the Superfast, and I'm thinking of doing a showcase of all of the Range Rovers and Land Rovers I have. So, comment if you would like to see that. But here we go. Nice packaging. It keeps the thing in a nice area. But the trunk does stay open. Really like this. I wish they included some tail lights, but that's okay. I think they had taillights on the Superfast, because those are more premium, because those have the rubber tires. This just has normal Matchbox rims on it. But yeah, and I think on this Ranger, these are new style rims for Matchbox. I'm gonna get a case soon of Matchbox cars, so yeah, stay tuned for that unboxing. But now we have our 50th anniversary Superfast car. I thought this was a really cool Mercedes, and all the Superfast cars I have the boxes right here. I have this Porsche Superfast and this Range Rover Superfast. So I don't have many, but I have cool ones. So let's open this up. Whew, tightly packaged. Oh. I hate when this happens. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Here is the box. A very nice box. But I guess if you want to store them in something. But here we have the car in here. Has opening and closing doors, And that's the only part. And it actually has gray wheels. They seem not to be rubber though. They're just plastic, but really nice design. There's a Mercedes logo there. There we go. I keep putting the car too close to the camera. The front grille is very nice on this car. But comment which car is your favorite. Oh, I got it to stay up. But, uh-oh. It's not opening correctly. Well, oh. Nope. Well, I'll just leave that closed. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like if you liked it. It really helps me. It gives me support, and it also lets me know if you like these videos. And comment what you think of these cars. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Goodbye.